Alright y'all, we about to finish up cleaning up these Cragar wheels. I cleaned two of them the other day. Kind of showed how the wheelie clean did. I'm gonna use it again. I only got two of them done the other day. I had stopped to take a break and I had something itching me real bad. Felt like a wasp sting. Come to find out it's a black widow, and it had gotten in my shirt and bit me several times. I think I just saw another one running through there. I don't know, but we're gonna keep our eyes out for them this time. We're gonna go over them a couple of times with this wheelie clean. These wheels hadn't been cleaned in years, and on the inside they hadn't been cleaned ever. My dad got them for me when I was about 15 years old, and I was too young to know how to take care of anything. A little bit spoiled, that kind of thing, and I just neglected them. So now I'm out here trying to see if I can get any more life out of them. They're definitely in bad shape. I don't know if I'm gonna have to have them powder coated or what to get them back usable, really. But we'll see. They had spiders all in them. They had black widows all in them, and I could tell that was a black widow nest. Looked like a black widow nest. And I was out here cleaning on them, making that video, and apparently one climbed up my sleeve or something, got in my shirt, and I felt a stinging pain in my back, which I thought it was just, you know, a random pain. Apparently it wouldn't. I kept trying to scratch it, and it moved under my arm. I kept trying to scratch it there too. Could never get it to stop. And finally it got down on my belly, and I pulled my shirt up. Shiny black and red spider. So figured out then what had happened. And again, I'm not telling y'all, this is not instructional videos at all, so definitely don't do what I did. I went inside and got a good shower, got cleaned up, and put some Neosporin on it. And then I put some, I got my wife to run down the road and get me some plantain, which most of y'all will just think is a weed growing out in the yard. But she got me some plantain. I chewed it up and put it on there, kind of like you see folks put tobacco on a wasp sting or something. Kind of the same principle. And I left it on there overnight, and probably 3 out of 5 places where the spider got me was cleared up the next morning. And I still had some chest pains and stuff like that going on, some nausea. It was very mild symptoms, and truth be known, I should have went to the doctor about it, but I didn't. Starting to thunder out here a little bit. That looks much better on that one. I'll go ahead and flip it over. Let's see if I can get any shine out of that. I'm actually still having a little bit of chest pains here and there from the spider bite. But overall, I'm doing better. It's healing. I'm getting well. So I had to finish these up though. I couldn't just leave them laying in the yard. Hated to come back out here and think that I might get bit again. But these wheels been neglected enough, so I'm gonna get out here and work on them some. Just try to watch what I'm doing with sweat in my eyes. This wheelie clean stuff works really good to clean this stuff off of here. I've been really impressed with it. When I'm using the wheel acid, I can't leave it in the spray bottle or it'll deteriorate the inside of the spray bottle and it won't spray anymore. I've had this wheelie clean in this spray bottle for several days now, and it has not bothered it. So, and it works almost as good as the wheel acid. May work just as good, honestly. Eventually I'm gonna have to do something different to coat these wheels because the chrome is flaking off. It looks terrible. But haven't figured that out yet, what I'm gonna do with them. When I do figure it out, there'll be a video on it and I'll let y'all know. Show y'all the results and hopefully show y'all the process. It may rain before I get finished with them. I hear my kids coming out here. They gonna fuss at me about messing with these wheels, because they know that's how I got spider bit in the first place. That's my little boy. He's walking out in the carport to take a leak. We got bathrooms on the inside, y'all. That little dude will wake up every morning and walk past 2 bathrooms to come out here on the carport and take a leak. I don't really know why. Really can't figure out why he does it. I've studied it and studied it and studied it, and I've asked him about it. And I don't think he really knows why he does it. I guess that's just what he's seen his whole life, because I do the same thing. So if y'all ever drive by my house, don't be trying to look up under my carport because I might be peeing. And y'all will get a laugh out of it. Mess around and run off the road laughing so hard. I'll probably hear it and then I have to come see about you. When I come walking up, you'll still be laughing. Start laughing again. This stuff right here gets your hands so nasty you don't ever want to eat a sandwich again. That looks pretty good on that side. We're gonna flip her on over and see if we can get some shine out of it. See if we can get some shine out of this one too. Sweat getting all in my eyes, y'all. I did some factory Ford wheels like this not too long ago from around a early 90s model F-150, and they're about the same age as these wheels. Been taken care of in about the same fashion, and I had much better results from those factory Ford wheels. So I don't know if it's just the way these Cragars are made or what, but if you're gonna run them, you definitely gonna have to take care of them. You can't neglect them at all, which most of y'all probably already knew that, but when I was 15, I wish somebody had told me that the Cragars would not last as long as stock wheels would without getting messed up. And my dad tried to tell me, but I just didn't understand. I don't guess. He didn't get the point across good enough, I reckon. Ain't like he had a YouTube video to show me. That one shined up pretty decent. Let's see what this one's gonna do. That wheelie clean is some good stuff, y'all. I don't know, I don't really know what the price difference is between it and wheel acid, because my dad bought me the wheelie clean, specifically bought it for me, handed it to me and said, go clean them Cragars up. So that's what I'm doing. I'm using the wheelie clean on these Cragars. And I did try the wheel acid on them in the last video, you saw that. But they did about the same, so I figured I'd just go on and use the wheelie clean on this pair too. And it's doing really good. I'm pretty impressed with it. But I don't know where he got it from. I don't know how much it costed. And I don't remember how much the wheel acid cost either. So you're gonna have to research on your own to figure all that out. Hey, baby. What are you doing?
You remember last time?
Yeah, I remember last time. What happened?
You got bit.
What'd I get bit by?
Black widow.
How many times?
I don't remember.
It was 5, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, at least 5. That lady tore me up.
Why lady?
Huh?
Why lady?
Well, because she had a web and she had red markings all over, and somebody told me that's how you sex a black widow, by them red markings. And I've also read that females make the webs. So that's what I'm assuming got me. I don't think males really, I don't know. I don't know nothing about them. I know they hurt and they'll make you sick. And they can kill you. It is a good thing it didn't. Because I needed to make another video of me finishing up cleaning these wheels, right? No? I don't need to make no more videos about these wheels, huh? Just throw these wheels in the garbage, right?
Yeah.
Because they got a spider in them. We got them shined up about as good as they're going to shine up, y'all. That wheelie clean works pretty good. Get your little brush, a little steel wool on the back of them. Get out there and clean your wheels. You get better gas mileage. You get all that gunk off of the back of them. Yeah, a bend right there. I bet that's where I hit that curb in Meridian that time leaving the liquor store. John Nichols will remember that. We hit that curb wide open. I bet that's where that dent right there come from.
Good morning and look. Wait, haven't looked at you.
Because I got the phone on. Y'all check out my other videos. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know y'all out there.